Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer money from Chime to your Cash App instantly. First of all, you need to link your Chime account to your Cash App. Just click your profile icon on the top right, scroll a little bit down and choose Linked Banks. Then click this plus icon and select No Card on the bottom. Now you need to click Continue. And Cash App will give you a full list of the institutions that you are able to connect to your Cash App. And you can see Chime is the first one, so you need to click Chime, which is on the top. Click continue to log into your Chime account, and it will ask you to enter your credentials, and you will be able to link your Chime account to your Cash App. Once you will link your account to Cash App successfully, then you can deposit money from Chime to Cash App instantly. So to deposit money, once you will link your account to Cash App, then you can deposit money from Chime to your Cash App. You need to click the bank icon on the bottom, then click add money, add instantly, enter the amount, then click add. And here on this page, you will see your Chime. So that's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.